And this is Roxcyn, and I would like to go over an Android error that has recently occurred. I'm currently on a Samsung Galaxy. From what I've been reading on the internet, it's a lot of Android users. Not sure if it's Samsung. So what happens is you'll open up your app, any many apps or almost any app, and it completely crashes. It opens up and closes. So online, what it has said. See where I have on the screen Android System Web Viewer by Google. You want to uninstall the update, which I've already done, and you want to click the three vertical lines and undo enable auto updates. So that's one version you want to do. If it doesn't work, or some people said it just says enable or disable. If it's enabled, just disable it. And if it's already disabled, then another option online people were talking about is going to your Google Chrome browser. So this error must be affecting this app in Google Chrome. Uninstall any update or completely uninstall Google Chrome and see if that works. Now for me, on my device, when I uninstalled the update on this Android System Web View, it completely worked fine, but I just installed updates, which was on Monday, March 22nd, 2021. Today is now Tuesday, March 23rd, 2021. So on Monday, the 22nd, my apps kept on crashing like crazy. So try that. Either uninstall your update on Android System Web View or on Google Chrome web browser app. Try either of those and hopefully that helps. I appreciate you all for watching and have a great day or night wherever you may be. Goodbye.